All right, let's get right into it. We are witnessing a massive, fundamental shift in the world of finance, and I mean a really big one in how money zips around the globe. You know, when we talk about crypto and the future of money, your mind probably jumps straight to one thing. But what if the real revolution, the one that big institutions are quietly betting billions on, isn't what you think it is at all?
Yep, you heard me. Stablecoins. They don't make the flashy headlines with crazy price swings, but believe me, they are quickly, and I mean very quickly, becoming the actual backbone of a whole new financial system. Today, we're going to look at how this is already well underway.
So why now? Why is this all happening? Well, it's pretty simple, really. The system we've been using for decades to move money around, it just can't keep up with our digital-first world.
I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day. On one side, you've got the old way, our traditional banks. It's slow, it's clunky, it's expensive, and it only works during office hours. In a world that is always on, that's a huge bottleneck. We demand things that are instant, super cheap, and global, working 24/7. And that is the exact hole that stablecoins are perfectly designed to fill.
And look, this isn't just some far-off theory. Some of the absolute biggest names in finance and tech aren't trying to fight this change. They're actually leading the charge. Let's dig into 3 really powerful examples.
We'll kick things off with a name you definitely know, MasterCard. And I love their perspective on this. They don't see this as some kind of threat. To them, it's just a tech upgrade for the mission they've always had, moving value safely and securely.
So what are they doing? They're already teaming up with the heavy hitters, Circle for USDC, PayPal, even Ripple. But here's the crucial part, the thing you really need to pay attention to. They are only working with stablecoins that are fully regulated and compliant. This isn't the Wild West anymore, folks. This is the strategic, careful integration of new technology into the world's financial plumbing.
So while MasterCard is upgrading its current network, another giant, Ripple, is taking aim at one of the biggest headaches in all of finance, sending money across borders.
If you've ever sent money to another country, you know the drill, right? You get hit with high fees, and then you just wait, sometimes for days. Ripple's stablecoin, RLUSD, takes that whole painful process and crushes it down to a settlement that takes just 2 to 3 seconds. That's not just an improvement, it's a total game changer for any business that operates globally.
And here's the proof in the pudding. Ripple's stablecoin is already getting the green light from regulators in major financial hubs like Abu Dhabi and Dubai. It's making it possible for big institutions to move US dollars around the clock, with a huge chunk of that activity happening on their super-fast XRP ledger. We're talking about efficiency on a massive global scale.
Okay, so we've got the big corporations and the financial institutions covered, but what about us? What about everyday people? Well, our third case study, Telegram, shows how stablecoins are already becoming daily money for literally millions.
This is all based on a really cool concept called social payments. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It means sending money is as easy as sending a text or an emoji right inside the apps you use every day. You don't have to stop what you're doing, open up a banking app, you just do it.
And get this isn't some coming soon feature announcement. It's happening right now, today. On the TON blockchain, which is built right into the app, millions of Telegram users are zipping USDT stablecoins back and forth to their friends and family instantly right inside a chat window. No banks, no borders, no waiting. This is what mass adoption actually looks like in the real world.
So, we've seen the how and the who, but what about the scale of this whole thing? Just how big is this revolution? Let's put a number on it.
$100 billion. I mean, let that sink in for a second. That is the value of transactions that stablecoins are now settling every single month. A number like that would have sounded like science fiction just 5 years ago. This is not a niche market anymore. It's a parallel financial system operating at an absolutely incredible scale.
Okay, so we've looked at the problem, we've looked at the players, and we've seen the staggering numbers. But what does it all boil down to? What's the big takeaway from all this? Why should you care?
It really comes down to these 4 simple things. This crazy growth is happening because stablecoins just offer a fundamentally better product. Payments are faster, fees are way lower, settlement happens 24/7. And maybe the most important piece of the puzzle, regulations are getting clearer, which is giving all those big institutions the confidence they need to jump in with both feet.
So here's the most important thing to remember from all of this. Stablecoins aren't just another crypto you trade. Think of them more like the rails, the pipes, the foundational infrastructure that the next generation of finance is being built on top of. They're becoming the basic utility for moving value in a digital world. The evidence is pretty clear. From credit card giants to fintech innovators to social media platforms, the smart money is flowing toward this new infrastructure. Which really just leaves one final thought. Now that you see where the money is going, what will you follow?